how is this system that you've built eventually deployed? Are people just trusting the system, or is there still a human element in there, Alex?
So good question. So within the tool, actually, you have the ability to. So the tool generates insights. So you have these kind of these LSTMs, which we almost imagine are like mini experts, and each of those mini experts are tracking part of a system, and they're giving you for a given part of a system, they're giving you these projections of healthy, and then as soon as there's deviations, those are flagged, and the way they're flagged is they're flagged in the form of insights, and those insights basically feed through, and an operator then, when an operator looks at the tool, say they wake up every morning, they look at the tool and they say, okay, there was one insight overnight, and then they can click on this insight and they can add comments and they can tag other people, but ultimately using this part of the tool, they can then link that insight into a work order, and part of that workflow, they can basically verify if it's a genuine insight, and if not, obviously it gets logged. But the tool itself is built such that they can filter through, down through detail within the system to get to what the cause was, very quickly. So there's that element of, because these mini expert LSTMs are at such a granular level, that they can very quickly narrow down to where the issue is coming from, using the platform. And then if it's a genuine insight, then they'll straight away issue a work order through the tool. So fully integrated with their work order management system.